boy.
Hi guys, welcome to Space Boy channel. This is the globe of the earth. It shows every single continent of the earth and all the geographic features like the North Pole and the South Pole. The southern tip of the axis is called the South Pole. Every celestial object have a South Pole, including the moon. India was the first country to land on the South Pole of the moon through the Chandrayaan-3 rover. Today, let's delve into the topic of the rover and find out how India became so successful in landing on the South Pole of the moon. Chandrayaan-3, India's third lunar exploration mission by the Indian Space Research Organization or ISRO, has a lander named Vikram and a rover named Pragyan, similar to those of the Chandrayaan-2 mission. In this episode, we will discuss about India's Chandrayaan-3 mission and Russia's Luna 25 mission. Chandrayaan-3 launched on 14th July 2023 at Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. Let's go through the timeline. The Chandrayaan-3 mission is scheduled to be launched on July 14, 2023 from the second launch pad in Sriharikota. It was scheduled to be launched at 2:35 in the Indian Standard Time. On July 7, 2023, the vehicle electrical tests were completed and citizens were allowed to witness the launching of the Chandrayaan-3 mission. On July 14, 2023, LV-M3-M4 successfully launched the Chandrayaan-3 mission. On August 17, 2023, landing module is successfully separated from the propulsion module. Deboosting is to be scheduled on August 18, 2023. And on August 23, 2023, Chandrayaan-3 successfully soft landed on the South Pole surface of the moon. This was the timeline of the moon to be shot in between the days. The Chandrayaan-3 was doing many processes, mathematical formulas, moving from Earth orbit to the lunar orbit, and much more. At the same time, we have been hearing a lot of news about Russia's Luna 25. It was a failed Russian spacecraft that was scheduled to land on the South Pole of the moon 2 days before Chandrayaan-3, which was on August 21, 2023. because of improper mathematical calculations and improper amount of time required. It crashed on the surface of the moon, and Chandrayaan-3 became the first spacecraft to land on the surface of the moon. The minute Chandrayaan-3 touched the surface of the moon, India became very proud. It was the first nation to touch the south pole of the moon. Hope you learned something new in today's episode. Thank you and goodbye.